Hello, this is the final exam English B1. Mm, I'm Claudia Patricia Jimenez Forero, bacteriologist specialized in occupational health management, and I have a master in environmental and occupational health. Today, I want to talk about mining workers. That is a subject that I investigate for a few years, and I wrote a article. I consider that is an important subject. In addition to allowing me to express more ideas for this activity, of course, from my vision and my knowledge. Okay, let's go. Mm. Traditional in meaning, most of the participants are men whose educational level is very basic, who have problems with drugs and alcohol abuse as a customary habit. In different studies, it has been described that the meaning conditions can provoke not only occupational illness, but also those one of common origin. The results of some articles establishing once more that the social dynamics relate to meaning as a labor activity. Consider labor something is legal as illegal. And although working conditions and their effects on individuals have been studied many times, it is still necessary to investigate more of the health state, illnesses, and life quality of the people relate to this job and their family. This turns into a challenge due to the fact that people working on Mini don't come from the same place where they are working or stay there provisionally, so that all the activities about health promotion and prevention of illnesses should be implemented rapidly. That is why it's important to contribute with more studies related to the working area, to this working area, especially in the third world context, in order to dignify, sorry, in order to dignify the meaning labor. Well, uh, that, that is my opinion. That is a subject that I like, and this is my final exam, English B1. Thank you. I thank you and bye bye.